Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Menopause linked to mental health outcomes. Changes in grey matter volume. Mednews. Menopause is associated with adverse mental health outcomes and reductions in grey matter volume, according to a study published in Psychological Medicine. The study analyzed data from nearly 125,000 participants in the UK Biobank and found that menopause was associated with increased levels of anxiety, depression, and sleep difficulties. Women using hormone replacement therapy, HRT, reported greater mental health challenges compared to postmenopausal women not using HRT. The HRT group also had the lowest volumes of grey matter in the medial temporal lobe and anterior cingulate cortex. The researchers emphasize the need to be more sensitive to the mental health of women during menopause and to recognize when they are struggling, without any embarrassment in asking for help. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak